A court has been told that Prince Harry is one of the two claimants still suing the Sun publisher. That's right, the Duke of Sussex, according to this BBC article, is one of the two claimants continuing claims against the publisher of the Sun over allegations of unlawful information gathering, his High Barrister told the High Court. The other person still continuing their claim against News Group Newspapers, who publishes The Sun, is the former Labour deputy leader Tom Watson, according to this court hearing on Friday, after 39 cases were settled in a previous hearing in July. Both cases are expected to go to trial in January 2025, with the 40-year-old prince alleging journalists and private investigators working for News Group Newspapers, which also published some of the now defunct News of the World, targeted him. NGN has previously denied unlawful activity happened at The Sun, and the High Court in London saw both sides return, asking a judge to rule on preliminary issues before the trial in 2025, which included whether Prince Harry could be allowed access to, quote, relevant emails sent between 5 email accounts of NGN employees and 5 employees of the royal household between January 2013 and September 2019. The barrister said that the royal household employees were those involved in royal communications and the private secretaries to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, and they said that the emails would be highly relevant in terms of providing the full picture not only as to the actual knowledge of the claimant, but also as to the position in relation to constructive knowledge based on what the palace was being told by News Group Newspapers. So it seems to be a transparency issue here, seeing whether Prince Harry would be allowed to read the emails of correspondence. And then the representative of NGN said in his written submissions that the bid to see the emails was opposed, saying they were not relevant to the pleaded issues in the prince's case and were not necessary to ensure a fair trial will take place. In a ruling, Judge Mr. Justice Fancourt said there was a degree of speculation whether any of the documents sought are going to assist the claimant's case, but ultimately ruled there was sufficient justification for a limited number of emails to be provided. He said, in all the circumstances, therefore, it seems to me that there is a limited category of documents where, despite the element of delay and despite the relative lateness of the application, there is a credible case for saying the full picture is necessary in the interest of justice. I will, however, limit the documents that are being sought. So it seems that Prince Harry put in this claim to see the emails late, and it was a bit dubious whether he actually needed to read all of these emails, but the judge is allowing him to see a limited number of this correspondence between the royal household and NGN newspapers. The judge also added it was unsatisfactory, so that little progress has been made and there needs to be further work done on both sides. The court heard the trial is expected to last between 6 and 8 weeks, and a further hearing is due to be held in December. So some interesting news coming out that Prince Harry is being revealed as one of 2 people still continuing to sue the Sun publisher, the News Group Newspapers. Let me know your thoughts in this whole situation in the comments down below.